Okay, hi guys, we're doing a bike check. I'm on Miraco Gargoyle. I'm going to start off with the stem. This is a stock Miraco stem. I got a new Colt stem, and I shall be putting that on in a few days. I got the stock headset. I have no more headsets, but that's what I'm sitting with. I have these Colt V2 high-rise bars. I have Animal Edwin grips, and I have a stock Miraco front rim. I have Animal TWW, I think, for the front. Yeah, TWW, and I have a Y303 rim stock. My forks are Miraco forks, but I got new ones. They're Colt too. They're red, but they're just from Colt. Like I said, my frame is Miraco Gargoyle. Odyssey pedals. My cranks are stock Miraco. My bottom brackets are stock Miraco. I got a new street tire. It's Demolition Momentum tan wall. And then I got the same rim in the back, Y303 X rim. And I got new sprocket. It's called the Shuttle Conspiracy chain wheel. That's what they called it at the store, but it's a sprocket. So, and I got a new Shuttle Conspiracy chain, but it's not on yet. This is my stock chain, and then the seat. The seat this is from my friend's bike. It's an Eastern seat, but I have a new one, and I'm gonna put it on soon. This is I think it's a Colt seat pivotal, and I have an Animal pivotal post. And that's my bike check, and this is the sound of my home.